Welcome to this 10-minute calming practice today. Take a slow, gentle breath in and let go. You've arrived in a quiet space made just for you, a place to release the noise of the day and settle into stillness. As you listen, allow your shoulders to soften, your mind to ease, and your body to rest. This is your moment to unwind, feel safe, present, and peaceful. Let's begin. So first, come into easy pose and start gently rotating your head to one side and to other side. And deep breaths here. Close your eyes. And you can go to full circles if your neck feels strong today. When the head goes to the back, we breathe in, and when the head comes to the front, we breathe out. And to other side. Place your one hand on the heart and the other hand to your belly. And breathe deeply here through the nose. And just feel your energy field. Feel your body. Your body loves your attention. Your body works for you, and your body listens to you. So tune into your body now. Now place your arms behind your neck and give your body a beautiful stretch here. When you move to the front, you open your throat, you open your heart up to the sky and you breathe in. And when the chin comes to the chest, you breathe out. This allows your spine to open up and be flexible, your throat to open up, and also your heart, your Anahata Chakra. We're opening up to compassion, love, and especially self-love here. Very good. Now we're moving on. We're going into lying down on the belly. And we're going into the Sphinx pose here. And we're putting the head to the ground. We breathe out. And when the head comes up, we breathe in. And very gentle movements here. Go with the pace that is comfortable for you. This bowing down movement, it allows your energy to move from your Anahata to higher chakras, to throat chakra, to Ajna, our third eye, and to our top of the head, our crown chakra. And now stay here in the Sphinx pose, opening your heart, powerful heart opener. Open yourself to compassion, love, kindness, purity. Very good. Now make your way back up and come to child pose. Make sure that your knees are together. That way your internal organs and your digestive system gets a beautiful internal massage here as well. and we're grounding. We're connecting to Mother Earth, and through the third eye, our Ajna chakra, in between our eyes, slightly above, we're grounding, and we're sending all the energy, all the pain and resistance and blockages and fears. We're giving it all to Mother Earth, and she's transmuting this energy and giving through the third eye, giving you healing. Good. Now come back up and come to sitting in the easy pose. And we're giving us a slight stretch here. And now fold your arms and legs forward and give yourself a beautiful stretch here as well. Come back to easy pose and hug yourself. You can rub your arms slightly up and down. This is a very soothing for your nervous system. And you can hug yourself and slightly move your torso. Deep breaths here. Feel the love and compassion that radiates from that Anahata that we have awakened here. Now we're moving into the breath work. We breathe in and we close with our right thumb. We close our right nostril. And you breathe out through the nose, and you, with your pinky finger, you close your left nostril. This is a very balancing and calming breath work here. Deep breaths here. We are balancing the right and left parts of the brain, and also we're soothing the nervous system, giving it a beautiful reset. On an energetic level, we're also working with the moon and the sun part of the body, balancing these yin and yang parts, these energy centers in the body. I am a peaceful being. I am a powerful soul. I am pure soul. My mind is pure. My body is pure. My intentions are pure. I am safe in this moment. My breath anchors me to peace. I release what I cannot carry, and I welcome calm into my body. With every inhale, I return to myself. With every exhale, I let go. My feet are rooted. My heart is open. My spirit is steady. I trust the rhythm of my life and the wisdom within me. I honor my pace. I move gently, intentionally, and with ease. Peace flows through me. Stillness surrounds me. I am connected to the earth, supported and held. My mind softens, My body relaxes and my soul feels at home. I welcome clarity, comfort, and quiet strength into my day. Thank you so much. Lots of love. Bye.